Hello, everybody, and today I'm here to tell you the importance of planners, right? So I have this planner, if you can see, and this is how I, organize my things. Uh, so I got it from Canva printout. So I've got various planners, as you can see here. Okay, I can show you. I'll show you what I do and how is it really helpful for you in organizing your own content in your own ways. If you're a student or you're going to office or working or student anything, this is how it will really keep you organized. This is a monthly planner which I have not yet filled because I'm waiting for the new month to come so that I can fill in, right? And this is yet another my schedule wherein the days have been provided like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, day wise, and my accomplished task, my goals. How do I, go ahead with my days? And this is again one of the template of daily planners. And this is like things to do, priorities, notes, and the date. Okay. I also have my name printed on the first one. So I fill this. So what I do is, and it really works. So what you can do is, how do you really plan? Now, suppose you want to study and you want to, alongside your working, and also you are doing a few, two or three things. You have a week, you have got 7 days, right? So there are certain morning rituals that I do, meditation, exercise, and that takes around 2.5 hours or so. Okay. And then I go on creating my YouTube, videos, Instagram reels, or different social promotion things. So 2 days for that. Okay. 2 days complete because it has to go for everything from advertisement to thumbnails to post creation to content, everything. It takes 2 days, completely to publish it on channels. Next is the course creation, the content creation for the website for different publishers. And the thirdly is my freelancer projects that I do and for the clients, right? And another thing is I am a part of various groups of the meetings of those groups and different meetings, like 3 4 meetings I have for in scheduled for 2 days, right? Okay. So this is how I schedule it. Like I know what all time I would be having and how much time I'll be having for my studies also. So devote that time, write it down, things would be clear. Maybe in the starting you won't be able to follow because it happened with me also when I used to plan. I never used to do any single thing which was listed. But gradually, I just broke this habit. Gradually, now what happens is whatever I write, I do that. I'm able to fulfill that. I don't know what happened suddenly. Maybe I was able to break that resistance. Maybe I was consistent enough to accomplish what I want. And the main part is that you should know that your goal should be achievable. Okay, if I fix something which is far fetched, I know I won't be able to do it. And maybe initially I set it high goals, and that's why I never accomplished that. And they were just on papers, nothing was implemented. But now the thing is different. Whatever I write, because over the past few months, I observed a trend, and that trend was I used to write what I did on that particular day, right? For entire week, I did the same thing. Then another week, I did the same thing. For entire month, I followed my routine. I followed what I was doing, and this gave me my pattern of approaching my task. How am I really scheduling myself? And from that, I started planning, and that is how I suppose I was able to um, do what I really write for a week and able to accomplish those tasks. So yes, this is a way how you plan your entire week, and you accomplish what you really write. That is more important because most of the time what happened with me also that I never did a single thing which was listed on that plan. I made sure that I don't do that. But now if it is written here, I will do it. I search now what else is remaining. and then I do my analysis, not that analysis, but the things which are remaining, I take it forward, devote a day and complete it. So now that consistency is there, and that is what has helped me to achieve so many things. I mean, yes, that has also helped me to gain confidence. That is something which is very prominent and very persistent, and it doesn't reflect in your material possessions, but it reflects in your own personality and character. So journals are not only a way to track your activity, but also a reflection on really what you are. You know, really, are you able to commit what you have written or you say? Are you able? It is not about being stringent or stubborn, but it is all about understanding yourself, understanding your patterns, and implementing the same. Okay. So the best thing is that reverse engineering, as we do in machine learning also by way of learning, that what you do for a day today, for example, write it down, right? That I did this today, I completed this, I completed this. Relax, easy. Next day, do the same thing. Observe this pattern, this trend, on these stick-ons if you have, or writing on a piece of a paper. Then analyze a trend. There is a trend in your working. There is a pattern that you will observe. So we are studying data science. We are studying data analysis. We are studying patterns from data. Why don't you understand the patterns of your own working and implement that to upgrade yourself, to upgrade your learning, become a better student, a better worker, and better in each and every aspect of your life. So just wanted to show you that I'm really excited to have my new planners. And if you want to have such planners in a form of a notebook or so, please let me know, because uh, then I can work it out. I can also design planners for you, which are specifically designed for you all to um, organize yourself well. And these are well tested by me, so you don't have to worry about that. Okay. So that's it for this video, and thank you for watching.